Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect WordPress to Google Search Console. First, navigate to Google Search Console and add your website as a new property. You will then be prompted to select a verification method. For most WordPress users, the HTML tag method is straightforward and highly recommended. This initial step is crucial for establishing communication between your site and Google's powerful search tools. Once you've selected the HTML tag method, Google Search Console will provide a unique meta tag. Carefully copy this entire tag. Next, you need to paste it into the head section of your WordPress website. This can be done manually by editing your theme files, but a much easier approach involves using a dedicated SEO plugin, which we will discuss next. This ensures Google can confirm ownership. For a seamless experience, consider installing a robust SEO plugin such as Yoast SEO or Rank Math. After activation, locate the plugin's specific settings area for Google Search Console verification. You'll find a dedicated input field where you can paste the HTML meta tag you copied earlier. This method simplifies the process significantly, eliminating the need to directly edit any theme code, making it accessible for everyone. After pasting the tag, return to Google Search Console and click the Verify button. Google will then check for the tag on your site. If successful, your property will be verified. It may take up to 2 days for initial data to populate within Search Console. Remember to regularly monitor your site's performance, indexing status, and any potential issues reported by Google, ensuring optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.